PML your covers. Installation of PML transmission pan. PML part number 11151. 2008 Toyota Tundra 5.7 4-wheel drive. Supplies used during installation. Drain the old transmission fluid. Remove the bolts. Remove the old filter. Install new filter. Clean the flange surface. Use PML custom gasket or put RTV silicone gasket maker on PML pan flange. Bolting on the PML pan. Put in drain plug. Pumping fluid in through fill. Level check hole. Fluid pours back out when full. Insert, fill plug, and clean up. Later in the day, after running the engine and driving, the mechanic adjusted the fluid level and checked the bolts and plugs for tightness. Follow factory guidelines for checking the fluid level. Thank you for watching. PML your covers.